Hello everyone. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to fix the secure boot error you might be seeing when trying to launch Battlefield 6. The game requires modern hardware features like secure boot and TPM because of its new kernel-level anti-cheat system. If you've never dealt with these settings before, it might sound complicated, but don't worry, it's actually a lot simpler than it seems. So, let's jump in and go through the steps you'll need to get Battlefield 6 running smoothly. Alright, the first thing you need to do is check what your system supports. Click on the Start button and type System Information and open it up. In this window, check the BIOS mode. If it shows Legacy or anything other than UEFI, Secure Boot won't work. But if it says UEFI, then you're fine to continue. Another thing is check Secure Boot state. If it says On, perfect. Secure Boot is already enabled and you're good to go. In my case, you can see Secure Boot is off. Don't worry. We'll enable it through a simple BIOS setting later in this video. Let's start by converting Legacy mode to UEFI, in case your system isn't using UEFI yet. We'll need to check storage drive configuration first. Click the Start button, type CMD, and run command prompt as administrator. In the command window, type diskpart and press enter. Once the disk partition utility opens, type list disk and press enter. This will display all the drives connected to your system. Now, locate your main drive where Windows is installed, usually disk 0. Look at the GPT column. If you see an asterisk on the GPT, it means your drive is already using GPT, which is good. If there's no asterisk, that means your drive is using MBR. In that case, I'll show you a few commands you can run to safely convert it into GPT. First, exit from the disk partition utility. Now, type the first command. I'll also leave these commands in the video description so you can just copy and paste them into command prompt. Since my drive is already set to GPT, you'll see it says disk layout validation failed for disk 0. That's totally fine if yours is already GPT. Now type the next command. These two commands basically convert your drive from MBR to GPT. In my case, it shows conversion failed because my drive is already GPT. Once you're done with that, close the command prompt. Next, we need to enable Secure Boot from the BIOS. To do this, we'll restart the system and enter BIOS. There are two ways. Method 1, restart your PC, and as soon as you see the motherboard logo, press the BIOS key. It's usually F2, F12, or Escape. Just press it quickly and it will take you to the BIOS screen. Method 2, open the run box and type shutdown /R /FW and click OK. This will restart your PC straight into BIOS. If that doesn't work, just use the first method with the BIOS key. Once you're in the BIOS settings, head over to the Security tab. From there, go to Secure Boot option, then it will open Secure Boot properties. Now here select Secure Boot and press enter. A small dialog box will pop up. Just choose Enable. This will turn Secure Boot on. Now, save your BIOS changes and your system will restart. After Secure Boot is enabled, go ahead and launch your game again. Hopefully, this fixes the issue. If this video helped you, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.